Today we're going to be learning about prepositional phrases. In the English language, we have things called prepositional phrases. An example of a prepositional phrase in English would be in the forest or before the war. Prepositional phrases can also be expressed in Latin. They're expressed by a Latin word that governs a case. When a Latin word governs a case, that means that the word following it always has to be in that case. For example, the word in, that is a Latin word which means exactly what the English word in means. So the word in governs the ablative case. So if I want to say in the forest, forest must be in the ablative case. Silva, which means forest, put into the ablative case is Silva. Therefore, in the forest is translated as in Silva. There are some other types of prepositions which govern the accusative case, but they work in exactly the same way. So, before the war, in English, that would be translated as ante bellum. The word ante governs the accusative case, therefore bellum has to be in the accusative. Okay, so let's get right to some practices, and then this will be done. Okay, so I have for you three little, I wouldn't really call them sentences, prepositional phrases for you to translate. What I'm going to do is I'm going to pause the video, and I would like you to translate these. So on the side I have all the vocabulary that you will need. A lot of this is going to be using the new vocabulary, and then just a few simple words that we've seen before in previous videos. So you can pause your video right now. Okay, so let's see. The first phrase is in terra. That means, actually there are three valid ways to translate this. So you could say on the land, in the earth, or on earth. I mean, you can get rid of the article the if you want to. It's basically the same. It's the same thing. So next one, pro porta. This is translated as in front of the gate. This also could have been translated as before the gate. So if you look at the vocabulary, one way you can translate pro is by saying on behalf of, or you could say for. But in this case, it would be really odd to say for the gate, meaning on behalf of the gate. What are you going to do? A gate really isn't a person, so you can't do anything for it besides maybe maintenance it. But even so, it's on behalf of, and that implies a person. So you can't have it be on behalf of the gate or before or for the gate. It has to be in front of the gate or before the gate. Okay, so moving on to the last one, pro Maria. Now in this case we use on behalf of or for, because Maria is a person. So on behalf of Mary. Okay, so that is all that I have for you today. In the next lesson, we're going to be covering first conjugation verbs. So, yeah, that's something to look forward to. So I'll catch you all in the next video. Thank you for watching.